Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the deck belt on this Cub Cadet LTX 1050 lawnmower. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing we want to do is set our deck down. So you're just going to set it down to where it sits by itself. You're not pushing it down, but you're not pulling it up. And you're going to come down here and pull these pins on both sides. These pins have these little lobes on them, and so they can only come out where the little extra gap is in the hole. So you have to make sure you have these pins lined up right so that they can pull out. You can now raise the deck lever all the way up. Pull this cotter pin out here, and then you can push this rod out of this slot here. I shifted the deck a little bit so that this rod was a little bit more lined up and easier to slide out of the hole. Remove this 1/2-inch bolt right here and the 1/2-inch bolt right here. Now you can remove this bar and you can pull your deck forward, slip this belt off like that, and you can pull your deck off to the side. Now you can remove these 1/2-inch bolts that are holding these covers on over the pulleys. Right there, and one right there. Now we're going to remove this 9/16 bolt right here. You'll need to put a 9/16 wrench on the underside of here. There's a nut under there. I would recommend not taking that bolt all the way out and just getting it loose enough to where you can slide the belt past that block bar right there. So now you can just take your old belt off and put your new belt back on. Now is a great time to clean all this debris out of your deck. Now you can reroute your new belt. I will have a new belt linked down in the description below where you can get one on Amazon. I like to put a little anti-seize back on these bolts when I put them in. That helps them come out easier next time. Slide your deck back under the mower. Pull your deck forward a little bit. Make sure that your belt stays on the pulleys. There you go, you've got your deck belt hooked back up. Now you can line this up so you can stick your rod back through there and hook that back up. Put this bar back in. One thing you want to check is that this tends to get smashed right here. If this is worn too far, you might want to replace it. I will have one of these along with the deck belt linked down in the description below. Now you just need to hook your deck pins back up and you're back in business. It might help to have somebody push the deck backwards to help you line these up, and remember to set the deck down to help line it up. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.